Hey guys, it's Jared and I'm back with today's trade recap. Today my watch list was Neo, Plug, BTBT, and Workhorse. So we got those right here, and I'm going to move this guy over here, get it off screen. Alright, I took 3 trades today, 2 winners, 1 loser, all were on Workhorse, and they're basically the same play. So I took a stab at it, got a little bit of profit, then it bounced back on me. I took another stab at it, took some profit, but then it bounced back on me faster, and ultimately this middle trade was a loser. So let me show you. So what I was trying to capture was what I call my bearish boot, which is my favorite pattern. And normally it comes like this, and it looks like a boot. So you see a strong downward play, it hit some sort of level, it bounced off on lesser volume. So see, we had all this volume followed by that. So we pull back on much lesser volume to another important level. So ideally VWAP or something else. So what I liked was we pushed down on strong volume, we started pulling back, we got to VWAP, but also we had the 200 MA on the 5-minute chart right here. So we have 2 strong moving averages that can act as resistance for the way up. So we go down strong volume, pull up on weaker volume, hit some sort of important moving level or average, and then I get to take it short there. And really, if it lost this 200 moving average after I entered, I was out. So I took my position short here, and I got a couple partials here, and it doesn't look like a big move, but let's see here. I captured about 15 cents. So these 2 partials are about 15 cents. So not a big move, but what I was trying to do is usually this move happens quicker. So I took a couple here, then I wanted to take up a partial here, right? Because this could be an important level near 26. And then the next partial would have been near low of day down there. Now let me get this boot out of the way. So took a couple partials here, my next partial was going to be here, then I wanted to take a partial here near this low of day. And that's kind of how the plan. And usually, a lot of times it'll break through low of day, etc. But this one, it just didn't have the juice. So I took 2 right here because I could tell it was kind of messing around, and it just didn't have it. It came back on me, stopped out right there. So this was a nice winner. I mean, nothing special, nothing too sexy because I didn't have the follow through I wanted. But then it started lingering. It kind of looked like VWAP might hold. So I went ahead and got back in. I got 1 partial here profitably, and then it jumped back on me so quick that this went past my break-even point. So this trade, even though I got 1 successful partial, was actually this one right here is actually a loser, unfortunately. And then again, same thing. VWAP looked like it was going to hold. I still like the pattern overall because we did have kind of strong pullback here. Then it got bearish here. Then we got about the same volume, but this started to look really good to me. Seeing this play out, and I still liked the potential resistance I had above me. So I took it short here. Again, partial near these new regional lows, then partials around this level, and again I had a good portion here still waiting for low of day. We didn't make it again. I got out at break even. So in total, these 2 winners, 1 loser, came out to be about 62% of my daily profit target. And I'll take it. I've been busy lately. I haven't been able to do as many recaps, but my trading's been pretty sloppy, and so I'm happy that this is a relatively clean day. I mean, even my 1 losing trade could have been a winning trade, but I didn't get my break-even hotkey in place quick enough, so I had to manually get out, and that's what cost me a few cents, which ultimately led to this being a loser. But you like to see this big sexy follow through where the toe of the boot goes lower than the heel, which I know isn't like a real shoe, but that's normally what I see, and I just didn't get that follow through today. But I didn't need it. If if not for this loss right here, I actually would have been over my daily profit target, even though this isn't even that sexy. So good trading from me. I'm happy with the way it played out, and I hope you guys had a good trading day as well.